cautious. You know what this is? It's an experiment in whether people will listen to scientists. That's what it is. That's what this is. I tweeted a couple of weeks ago. I said, I wonder what anti-vaxxers would say to a coronavirus vaccine. Are they going to stick it? Well, I'm not going to do that. It's okay. All right, that's how you're going to play this? Is that the virus loves you? So are you going to listen to the warning?
Did I floor you?
No, I couldn't agree with you more. And I was just, when you were saying about what he just said about trusting in him, automatically the Proverbs 3:5 scripture comes to mind. The one that says, trust in the Lord with all your heart and do not lean on your own understanding. In all your ways acknowledge him and he will make your path straight. So that's the one that I put my trust in, and I don't know, since you kind of have shed light on the whole flat earth situation, and then with everything going on, he's the only one I trust.
These are great days we're living, bros. We are jolly green giants walking here.